Students, in previous class we have complete question number 4 in exercise 4.3. If you have any doubt up to question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, you can ask me.
No, sir.
प्रगति कशिश, अस्मित मौर्य, प्रिया तिवारी, स्वास्थी, अविनाश कुमार. Student, it is requested to all students, please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera.
Sir, all cannot be visible in the screen.
Now student, come to the point. Okay student, come to the point. Student, in question number 5th, can you do it? Question number 5.
Yes, sir. Yes.
We have already discussed in chapter number 3 such type of questions. Question number 6. Question number 6. Student, question number 6. Exercise 4.3. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the side of the field. Student, it is your rectangular field. It is your rectangular field. A, B, C and D. It is your rectangular field. Student, in question, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. It is your shorter side, that is x meter. Diagonal is that is your x meter.
50.
That is your x meter. 60 meter more than the shorter side.
It's 60.
Yes, Akansha Soni. Your diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Means Akansha, am I audible to you? Akansha, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Now your diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Your shorter side is x meter. What will be the diagonals? Akansha, what are you thinking? More means plus. More means plus. Shreya Patel.
Sir, x plus 60 meters.
Yes. X plus 60 meter. X plus 60 meter. Now student, your longer side is if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. PUC, your longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. Your longer side will be
Sir, please
Yes.
let it have stop.
screen screen share.
So the screen sharing is there. Now it has stopped.
Whole share is stopped.
Now screen share.
Can screen
Yes, sir.
sharing
Whole
happen?
share.
Screen is shared.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No, sir.
yes, sir.
अच्युतम शुक्ला.
शेयरिंग तो है, बेटा क्यों परेशान हो? स्क्रीन शेयर है।
Achyutam, am I audible to you? Your length is 30 meter more. It means x plus 30.
X plus 30.
Student, as you know that in a rectangle, each angle is of 90 degree.
Sir, I request you to please show the screen again because it is stopped.
Yes, sir.
Now, students, screen is shared.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students,
Yes,
in
sir.
right angle triangle ABC. In a right angle triangle ABC. Only in right angle triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Lagmanita, are you present in the class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Which theorem is applicable in right angle triangle?
Sir, what?
Which theorem is applicable in right angle triangle? Yes. Yes. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Students, it is your right angle and opposite side of right angle is hypotenuse. It is your hypotenuse. It is your base. This is your base and this is your perpendicular. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, we get according to Pythagoras theorem. We get
B square plus BC square is equal to AC square.
hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Students, in chapter number 6, there are some important theorem, that is BPT, basic proportionality theorem, and second one is converse of BPT, third one is area of similar triangle theorem, fourth one is Pythagoras theorem, and fifth one is converse of Pythagoras theorem. We will study in chapter number 3 proof of these theorems. Okay, students. Now, hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse?
Yes.
What is your
The longest side of a rectangle triangle.
x plus 60? X plus 60.
6 plus 6.
What is your perpendicular? X square. What is your base? X plus 30
X plus 30
square.
square.
Now, student, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2a. A is x, b is 30. Now, student, next is x square plus a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A and b. Student, any doubt, any problems? स्टूडेंट, अगर आपको किसी भी स्टेप में प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आप में से पूछ सकते हैं कि सर हमें यह प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, ठीक है? क्योंकि मैं क्या है बहुत स्लोली चल रहा हूँ, सिलेबस को भगा नहीं रहा हूँ अभी मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि हर स्टूडेंट, प्रत्येक स्टूडेंट क्या है इस एक स्टेप को समझ के चले, ठीक है? सभी स्टूडेंट के हर कंसेप्ट क्लियर होने चाहिए। Okay, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Students, now x square to x square, that is x square plus 60 square, 2 into 60. 120x square plus x square plus 30 square 900 plus 60x. Now student, x square to x square cancel out. Student, you have to keep coefficient of x square always positive. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर को आपने हमेशा पॉजिटिव रखना है। नाउ x स्क्वायर प्लस 60x माइनस 120x प्लस 900 माइनस 3600। स्टूडेंट, एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स? अगर कोई डाउट नहीं है तो आगे 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 बढ़ते हैं इस स्टेप में। वी विल प्रोसीड ऑन नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स। इफ यू हैव नो डाउट आई विल प्रोसीड ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप। हैव यू एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम? यू कैन आस्क मी।
No, sir, no doubt.
ओके स्टूडेंट्स, x स्क्वायर माइनस 60x माइनस 120x
Minus 60.
minus 60
Minus 68.
plus 900 minus 3600 minus 2700
Minus 2700.
is equal to 0. Yes. Srini Pradhan, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Your equation is x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now make two factors such that multiplication of two factors will be minus 2700 and subtraction will be minus 60. Srini,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
So please show the screen once.
Okay. Yes.
So it would be minus 90
Yes.
and and 30
Plus-
minus 30.
No. No student. Minus 90 minus 30 becomes minus 120. But
Sir, she said minus
90 plus
से plus 50 बोला
plus 30. Plus 30. Okay students. X square minus 90x. Student, आपने इसको फाइंड आउट कैसे किया? चलो आपने इसको डायरेक्ट फाइंड आउट कर लिया, लेकिन many students in the class facing problem, how can we factorize it? Students, to factorize it, first of all coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is 2700. We will multiply it. If we will multiply coefficient of x square 1 with minus 2700, result will be 2700. Prime factorization it 2700. That is 2, 1, 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10, that is 0. 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 5 are 10. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1, 3 divided by 3. 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are.
Reacting again and again in our screens.
Yes, student, 325 and your 5 and 5. Now student, arrange these factors such that multiplication will be, multiplication तो आपकी हमेशा ही क्या है 2700 आई है, आप कोई फैक्टर बना लो वो तो आएगी, लेकिन आपका जो सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के बाद जो 60 है ये भी होना चाहिए। देखिए यहाँ पे 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, 12 3 जा 24, 5 5 जा 25, 25 3 जा 75 और 24 बन रहे हैं नहीं बन रहे, चेक करो एक बार। 5 5 1 दैट इज योर 51, नहीं बन रहे ना, थोड़ा अरेंज करो इसको, दोबारा अरेंज करो, ठीक है, अरेंज इट। योर 5 3 जा 15, 15 3 जा 45, 45 2 जा 90 एंड 5 3 जा 15, 15 3 जा 45, this use and this use, remaining is 5 3 जा 15, 15 2 जा 30। स्टूडेंट आपको ये फैक्टर अरेंज करने हैं और अरेंज इस तरीके से करने हैं कि जो आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन है और जो आपका एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन है वो प्रॉपर आ जाए, ये तरीका इसका करने का और कोई तरीका नहीं। समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? आपने इसके प्राइम फैक्टर करने पड़ेंगे, प्राइम फैक्टर करने के बाद ही क्या है आपको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि क्या है इसके फैक्टर क्या हो सकते हैं। -90x plus 30x minus 20 30x plus 30x minus 20x minus 2700 equal to 0. Now student, what is common? X common, x minus 90 plus 30 x minus 90 equal to 0. Now student, it becomes x minus 90 x plus 30 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 90 and minus 30. X is equal to plus 90 and minus 30.
So we can reject minus 15.
Student, any doubt, any problems up to here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No problems, no doubt.
No, sir. No.
Okay students.
No, sir. No, sir.
What is x? x हमारे पास क्या था? What is x?
Shortest side.
Shortest side. Students, length of side can be negative, हो सकती है?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay students.
No, sir.
Okay students. Have you done?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Student,
Sir,
length of side can never be negative. Never be negative. So x is equal to minus 30 is rejected. Therefore, length of shorter side B.
30 meter.
90
meter.
meters. Length of longer side B. Longer side B. Longer side.
120.
X plus 30.
30. 120.
x plus 30 and x is your 90. 90 plus 30, that is your 120 meters. 120 meters. Now student, length of diagonal B. Length of diagonal B. Diagonal B.
150.
Your x plus is 60. And what is x? 90 plus 60.
1500.
That is 150 meters.
150.
150 meters. 150 meters. Student, do it fast. Do it fast.
That is the third.
Now student, question number 7. स्टूडेंट स्पीड फास्ट तो नहीं है, क्वेश्चन करने की स्पीड फास्ट तो नहीं है, समझ में आ रहा है?
Fine.
Have you noted?
Yes.
Okay student.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now students, question number 7 is question number 7. The difference of square of two numbers. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Student, let the larger number be. Let the larger number be x. The square of smaller number is the square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Students, अब क्या लिखेंगे? The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. 8 times means, yes, Shreya Patel.
8x.
Shreya Patel. 8x. 8x. The square. Okay students, according to question, the difference between square of two numbers, square of larger number b, square of larger number b, x square, and square of smaller number is 8x, and difference between these is 180.
180.
Student, any doubt, any problem, you can ask me.
No.
Have you any doubt, any problem in this equation?
No, sir.
No.
ये आपको इक्वेशन समझ में आ गई? इक्वेशन कैसे बनी?
Yes, sir.
Okay students, now x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. It is your quadratic equation. Now we factorize it by factorization method. Student, make two factors such that multiplication of two factors will be minus 180 and subtraction will be minus 8.
Minus 18 plus 10.
माइनस 18 प्लस 10. इस फैक्टर्स में किसी को और कोई डाउट कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
No, sir.
ओके स्टूडेंट्स,
No,
x
sir.
स्क्वायर माइनस 18x प्लस 10x माइनस 180 इक्वल टू 0. Student, what is common in first two term? What is common in last two terms? What is common in last 10? That is x minus 18.
10%.
Now student, x minus 18
X is
x
equal
plus
to
10
18.
is equal to 0. X is equal to 18 and minus 10. X is equal to 18 and minus 10. Student, there are two cases. Case first is case first. What is x? X क्या है?
18.
X is
18.
student, listen to me, listen. I am asking such that what is x? X को आपने क्या consider कर रखा है?
It's a larger number. Largest number.
Student, in case
It's
first.
equal to
Okay. Wait, student, wait. Student, your larger number be, let larger number be minus 10. Let larger number be minus 10. And square of smaller number be 8x. Square of
8.
smaller number be 8x. 8 into minus 10, that is minus 8. Student, very important point. Square of any number can be negative.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then how is possible? Minus 8 is possible.
No, sir.
Now student,
No, sir.
okay student, square of any number, can never be negative. किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर करेंगे कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं आएगा. माइनस का करेंगे तभी प्लस आएगा, प्लस का करेंगे तब भी प्लस आएगा. कैन नेवर बी नेगेटिव. So x is equal to minus 10 is rejected. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No.
Student, do it fast.
Sir, one is continuously reacting in the meeting.
Student, do it fast.
Yes, sir, done. Continuously.
Have you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now student, your case second please. Case second. In case second, larger number b, let larger number b 18.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Square of smaller number b. Square of smaller number b. What is?
144.
144, sir.
8 times. Square of
8x.
smaller number b What is x?
18.
18. 8 into 18. That is 144.
144.
Student, square of smaller number is 144. Then smaller number b. Smaller number b.
12.
Smaller number b. Smaller number b.
Under 144.
And root 144. That is 12. 12. Smaller number be 12. Your larger number be 18. Your smaller number be 12.
12.
Yes, student. Swasti, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Sia Patel,
No, sir.
Pragati Singh,
No, sir.
Priya Tiwari, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Ankita, Aditya
No,
Singh,
sir.
Kashish, have you any doubt, any problems?
So you may see that video is just on of girls.
Turn off.
Turn on of girls number.
Okay, student.
Yes, sir. Means only girls are visible.
Okay, okay.